guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I will show you the top 5 video editing app for your Android na pwede mo gamitin for free that will make you edit like a professional for your YouTube video, project, or presentation. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So first on our list is Inchat. So as you can see, this is the icon looks like, and you can download it to your Play Store app. So let me show you how it works and just to give you a brief overview. So as soon as you open the app, you will see the option here. You can edit your photo, you can also make a collage, but for today, we're gonna import a video. So as you can see, I already import a video earlier, so just click on it, then you will see here the options. So the reason why I recommend this app is because it's very easy to use. As you can see, very simple menu, and you can remove the watermark. You can remove the watermark by watching an ad. Also, the specific feature that I like to use in this app is the glitch effect. So this is the glitch effect looks like. So some YouTuber use it on their intro. So that's it. Aside from that, marami pang magagandang features ang Inchat. You can explore here. So you can also change the ratio of your video. So you can make for your IG stories, TikTok videos, and Facebook videos. But we're gonna stick with 16:9. You can also add text here by clicking this icon. Then you have also stickers and emoji that you may also use on your videos. So we're gonna remove the watermark by clicking this and watch an ad. So as soon as it gets done, just click the X. Then as soon as we're done editing, just click the save button. We can choose the resolution and it's done. It's saved on my gallery. So the next app is VLLO. So as you can see, this is the icon looks like. Search and download it to your Play Store app. But this video app is especially for vlogger because it's super easy to edit your vlogs with this app. So let me show you how it works and just give you a brief overview. So as soon as you open the app, you will see the two options here. You can edit the video or you can do a motion photo. So I'm gonna import a video. So you can also import all files you want to edit. So let's go ahead and hit next. Here you can choose the ratio. So you can make a video for IG story, you can choose 9:16, and if you're doing a video for YouTube or Facebook, you can choose 16:9 ratio and hit next. So just like this, we can edit our video by using all the features. When you tap the video, you can see all the different options. You can change the filter, you can change the speed audio, you can also zoom in with your footage, all the basic stuff. So you can explore here and be creative. Then after you're done editing, just hit done. Then from here, you can change the resolution if you want to change and hit export. There's ad, but let the ad play, then click X. So the reason why I like this app is because it doesn't have a premium feature, so everything is free and no watermark. You can edit whatever you want with no watermark. Super easy to use, super simple. And just like this, it is exporting your video. It might take a couple of seconds, minute, and now it is saved on my camera roll. Now the third on our list is Kinemaster or Kinemaster. As you can see, this is the app looks like. The only thing that I don't like about this app is, I'm gonna tell you guys, the watermark. You cannot remove the watermark in the free version, so you need to pay for the full version if you want to get rid of the watermark. So you're gonna import a video in 6:19 ratio. So select your video, and I want to use the video I used earlier. So just like that, this is what the interface look like. Just tap the video and you will see this feature. The thing I like about this app is the audio feature, so you can do voiceover. Just click the start and you'll see it's recording, and when you're done, just click the stop and you can see it here. And from here you can change the voice changer. So if you want to change your voice, you can use this. You have a lot of options here, so you can take advantage of this feature of Kinemaster. So as soon as you're done, click save and export it and save to your gallery. So that's all on our third app. We have Kinemaster. So for the fourth app, the Power Directory, this is what the icon looks like. So as soon as you open the app, you can notice the old style interface, which is why I don't really use this much, but it does have a specific feature that you guys can use. And I tell you guys, it has a watermark, and in order to remove the watermarks, you have to pay for the premium. So let's go ahead, click create new project and choose the aspect ratio, then choose your video that you want to edit. After you upload your video, if you tap on it, then you will see the different options. In order to edit your video, just click on this and you will see the different features. There's a lot of different features here that you guys can see that it's simple to use, but it's very powerful if you know how to use it. So the feature that I like to use specifically is for adjustments. It's because you can change the adjustment, the saturation, and this HUE, very colorful as you guys can see. So you can be very creative in using this app. So that's all in this app, Power Directory. As soon as you get done editing, you just click save and export it to your gallery. So the last but not the least, for our fifth app, we have the Cupcake. This is what it looks like. Right here, as you can see, as soon as you open the app, just click new project. I choose the video that I used earlier. So what I like about this app specifically is the animation. As you can see, so you can use it to your intro, and the other thing I like about this app is you can remove the watermark. Just click and delete. You can explore here. You can use a lot of stuff here. Be creative on your own way. So as soon as you're done editing, you can save the video and choose the resolution and click export. Just like this, it is exporting your video. It might take a couple of seconds, minutes, depending on how long is your video. Now it is saved to your gallery. It is simple, very easy to use, have clean interface, and can definitely remove the watermark. Those are the top 5 video editing app that we have on our list. You should go try them and let me know in the comment section if you have a question, and I will try to answer them. So that's all in this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification button para updated ka sa next video ko. Thank you for watching!